Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a pond fish supplier business and you're looking for an affordable, professional website for your business to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your pond fish supplier business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't need to put any payment methods or credit cards in, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets for various small businesses, over 900 currently, and we are adding more markets every single week as well. If you don't see your market down below, leave us a comment and let us know, and we'll make sure we add it. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, pond fish supplier. I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so I can take that information and literally generate a website for us to do all the hard work. I've put in my city, my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It literally did it in a couple seconds. I'm very impressed. Let's go ahead and see what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you have your own images of various pond, maybe fish you are supplying to your customers, and you want to make the content a little bit more personalized to your business. Perhaps you don't offer all these services, or you don't have all these fish in stock. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make minor amendments to your website. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do this all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to quickly show you. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And our physical location, if you don't have one or you want to leave it off, go ahead and do so. But if you put it in over here, your customers can actually click on that address, top left-hand corner, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms, the links that your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom, so customers can easily find you on social media. If you have a logo for your business, go ahead and upload it in the next section. To make any minor amendments to it, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where we can make our logo bigger and smaller. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, no color coding needed at all. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, scroll through the various color palettes available for you and choose one that suits your business best. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized, maybe make 1 or 2 changes, click on that update section button directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device for your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of free images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos if you have an account. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons, the text, you can change them as well as where they link to, even linking to another website or uploading a PDF file with more information on your services in PDF format. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. You can keep track of all your leads coming in from your customers in your Marty dashboard. Every time a new lead comes in, you'll also get notified via your registered email accounts. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain and you want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in the community, go ahead and click on that button as well. You do have the option to purchase a custom domain via the multi-sites platform. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your small business on our platform. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.